How to recover forgotten Telegram password? If you forget your Telegram password that you have set on the Telegram and you want to reset, then make sure to watch the video till the end so that by the end of the video you will know how to reset those Telegram password even if you forget it easily. So now without any further ado, let's dive into the video. Firstly, open Telegram app and then select this Start Messaging button. Enter the phone number and as well as the country's code as well. Now, as you can see that we have enabled two-step verification. That's why we have to enter the password in order to get access to the another page and continue logging into our Telegram account. But unfortunately, we have forgotten our Telegram password. So it's not time to worry. Instead, you can simply select this forget password link at the bottom left corner of the screen and but one thing you need to do is make sure you have the recovery email set up during the two-step verification. So let's select the continue. As you can see that a recovery code has been sent to our email. So you have to open your email and check the recovery code. So let's select continue button. And here you need to enter the code that has been sent on your email. So we already have received the mail. So you need to copy and paste this code on that another page of Telegram. Now you can easily set a new password and re-enter the new password. Or else, if you don't wish to set a new password, you can skip also. Let's select the arrow icon at the bottom right corner, and if you wish to set a new password and create a hint for your password, you can do it. Otherwise, select a skip option. Now select continue and the two-step verification password has already been changed. So that is how we can easily reset Telegram password and recover our forgotten Telegram password. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.